In this video, I'm going to show you how to see backup contacts in Google Contacts. So for any reason you want to check your backed up contacts in Google Contacts, this is how you can do it. There are several ways in which you can access your contacts. If you're using a mobile device, first thing you want to do is log in into Google. You can sign in into your Google account which your contacts are backed into. You can click on this tag to watch my video on how to restore Google Contacts. In that video, I have shown how to connect your Google account to your mobile device. Once connected, you need to download Google Contacts from your App Store and then proceed to opening Contacts. Now, once you have your contacts opened, all your backed up contact to that email will display. You can easily switch between emails if you have your contacts backed up on different email address. All you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And here you're going to see all the emails that you have signed in into your device. Tap on the emails you want to switch to, and then you're going to see your contact history on that account. Now, if you do not want to use the Google Contacts, all you need to do is go to your browser that you're signing into with your Google account and search for contacts.google.com. Now, once you click on this is going to show you all your backup contacts on Google Contacts. So thank you for watching this video on how to see backup contacts on Google Contacts. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.